warning has now been issued for this severe thunderstorm warning. It's in Irving right now.
Good morning, everyone. Let's aim to make it to staging around 3 a.m. Should give us enough time to get restocked, ready to roll as soon as it all blows through.
Morning, Mr. Freres. How's it looking out there?
Well, let's just say come alert and ready to work. It's likely gonna be a long week. But I imagine 1,500 extra linemen make a big difference. We'll be ready.
Now have that confirmation that there was definitely a tornado here.
Right now, we've got emergency crews out here, Oncor is out here. We're working diligently to get this scene cleaned up so our residents can get back to their normal way of life.
Oncor says they expected to see an uptick in the number of outages throughout the day, and they have. They started preparing days ago and have had crews and equipment out since yesterday, getting ready to go into storm mode.
You've got massive tree trunks that are lifted out of the ground.
Traffic lights you will find down all around Dallas County.
It's times like this I'm thankful for those out there on the
Oncor
front
said
line.
they're on track to have most people back online this evening. It takes major planning and coordination to mobilize a crew of this size.
To all the brave men and women that were out there on the front lines this week, getting us back online, we say thank you.